Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound to Canva video. Now let's get started. First open your Canva apps, and after this in here you just click on the video, and then in here you can add the video that you want to edit, or you can click on the template that you want to use. I want to try to use this template, so you just click on it, and then in here in this template I want to add the sound. It's so pretty simple, so you just click on the plus icon at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the audio at the bottom. This one, click on it, and after this in here you can see many sounds that you want to use. I want to try to use this one, so you just click on it and finish. So that's how to add a sound to Canva video. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.